So guys, now I'm at Decathlon and we are looking out for cycles. So this model is for 5,000 rupees. You all can see the B-twin one, and the one which we saw from Meshwa, that was also for 5,500. So this is that one, B-twin. So we would be either buying this one or the other one. We have Akash here with us.
Hi.
Hi Akash. So these are the two cycles that are available here for kids, right? So what age is this usually, and does age also play an important role, or the height is more important?
More importantly, height. I would say height. Yeah.
Okay, more important is the height.
Yeah, because we have 9 to 10 years old kids who are riding 27.5-inch bike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So at least for me, the deciding factor is the height of the kid.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because that is what I even read.
Right.
Height is more important
Right.
for
Exactly. Now, if you go on the site, you will see like 6 to 9, 8 to 12.
Right.
That is also a factor, but for me, height is a much important factor.
Height plays a much more important.
Definitely.
So these are the two cycles that we saw.
Yeah.
The red one and the black one.
Okay, so this is Robot
Okay.
and this is a Dark Hero. That's the model name.
Okay, this is Robot and this is Dark Hero.
Dark Hero, yes.
Okay. So what's the difference between these two, Akash?
This is a high frame cycle.
Okay.
And this is a low frame. It's
Okay.
much more convenient for girls to get on and get off in this one.
Okay.
Both are 16 inches.
Okay.
For her, I would recommend something like this because it's low frame. This is something we recommend to boys.
Okay, this is for boys, and I can also see that the frame is a little longer for this one.
Correct.
So,
Yeah.
but that shouldn't matter, right?
Not really. If the kid is like super short in height, then they can go for something like this.
Okay.
But as I saw, she's able to grab the handlebar
Right.
comfortably,
Right.
so she can go for it.
Fair enough. So anything you would like to explain about these B-twin cycles?
Not really.
particular?
These are super basic cycles for kids.
Okay.
Complete steel frame, 16 inches.
Okay.
And of course, you'll have to go for the training wheels. Training wheels. Because
balancing wheels.
any kid who is riding these cycles it's safe to assume that they don't know how to ride.
Right, absolutely. This is her first cycle.
Correct, exactly.
Actually, second cycle, but the earlier one was obviously with balancing wheels.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. It was a three-wheeler.
Oh, tricycle.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
So this is the first two-wheeler cycle, you could say.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
So what better place than coming to Decathlon? Yeah, of course. So I also read somewhere that the paint and the plastics is all chemical free. Is that true? Is there anything like that?
Utna technical, I'm not sure because I've joined B-twin very recently.
Oh, okay.
So that technical knowledge, perhaps Shubham can explain you better because I'm not very strong on that.
Okay.
Very sorry about that.
No problem.
Yeah.
So let's forget paint.
Sure.
Anything else that you would like to talk about, Akash?
Not really.
What about the accessories that we can do with the
Yeah,
bike?
exactly.
Accessories for a kid, I would not recommend much.
Okay.
As of now, you can just go for training wheels.
Okay.
Bell, if you like it, we have something like that. Like you can squish it, bopu, a honk, something like that. But I would not necessarily recommend that.
Okay, and what about the helmets and the safety part?
Helmets again, now I would not recommend because she's already having training wheels. So गिरने का हिसाब तो आता है नहीं. Once you take them off, then when she has the scope of falling, then you can go for a helmet.
Okay.
Right now, you don't need to invest in that.
But B-twin is standard, right? As in the company and the brand name is obviously good, right?
Yeah, of course. I personally believe that myself.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Fine then. Let me just have a little bit of chat with about the cycle,
please.
and then I'll come back to you and we'll final this off.
100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
My pleasure.
Thanks, Uncle. We take a
So guys, this is the cycle that we have finalized for Meshwa. This is the B-twin. Which model was this, Meshwa? Dark Hero.
Dark Hero.
This was the B-twin Dark Hero. So we like this cycle, even Meshwa like this cycle. So there are 4 factors that you have to consider while buying a cycle. The first is obviously the safety. You have to see how safe the cycle is. Second is the ease to use. So we took a round on the cycle with Meshwa. So obviously she is comfortable. So it's easy to use. The third is, yeah baby. The third is durability. You have to obviously see how durable the cycle is, and the fourth is braking. Exactly. So the brakes, if you all see, Mishra, just leave. The distance between these brakes is less, so that her fingers reach. Hold this. So her fingers are reaching the brakes, so that she can brake it easily. As well as other plastic parts are well covered. The chain is well covered, if you all can see.
And the candles.
Yeah, the chain is well covered, and the other plastic parts are also well covered. So we are pretty happy with it. Meshwa, you like it?
Yes.
You like it? Okay.
Red helmet.
Okay, we'll buy the red helmet also. So, and we would be getting balancing wheels for her because this is her first cycle. So Meshwa,
Come, let's ride.
let's ride and show.
Push the pedals. Push the pedals. Mishra.
Okay, that's Meshwa riding the cycle.
Push. Push it. Push it. Very good. Push.
So as you all can see, she's pretty comfortable with it.
Mama is here.
So with the balancing wheels, I think she would be perfectly riding it. And we have zeroed down on it. So these are the other cycles that are available here. Oh man, this one is for 2,30,000. That is the Van Rysel. These are some other cycles. So we have just come outside the Decathlon store, and here is where they have the service section. So Mr. Rohan Patil, he is handling the assembly of the balancing wheels. So that is our bike there. So that is Meshwa cycle there, and he is assembling the balancing wheels here. नॉर्मली कितने टाइम तक रखना चाहिए व्हील्स आपके हिसाब से रोहन?
जैसे उनके ऊपर ऐसे सीख जाते हैं ना,
अच्छा।
तो वैसा निकाल देना पड़ता है।
अच्छा, जैसे सीखते वैसा निकाल दो।
हाँ।
पहले एक निकाल के फिर दूसरा?
नहीं, वैसा नहीं रहता है। पहला हम लोग थोड़ा अनबैलेंस रखते हैं उसको।
अच्छा,
इसके बाद उसमें अनबैलेंस रहेगा तो वो जल्दी सीख जाते हैं।
अनबैलेंस बोले तो?
अनबैलेंस बोलेगा तो
थोड़ा
मैं
थोड़ा
साइकिल
ऐसा।
में शो करके दिखाता हूँ।
अच्छा, ठीक है। Wow, Mishra, you like it? Mishra's bicycle, you like it?
You like it? Say yes. Show thumbs up. Show thumbs up. Oh, new bicycle for Mishra.
Very good. So that is a nice way of the cycle being held there, and then I think he is going to put on the wheels. So for all of these 14 points checkup, they charge $499. Pretty neat. So these are all customer cycles which are here for service. सर, तो रोहन भाई, इसका वारंटी वगैरह क्या होता है यूजुअली?
उसका फ्रेम का लाइफ टाइम वारंटी रहता है।
ओके।
फ्रेम यानी चेसी का लाइफ टाइम वारंटी रहता है, और फोर्क का 2 साल का वारंटी रहता है। फोर्क का।
ओके।
और अदर एक्सेसरीज बोलेगा तो ये साइड व्हील है, इसका 2 साल का वारंटी।
ओके, ठीक है। परफेक्ट। तो अभी ये रेडी हो गई है ना पूरी?
रेडी हो गया।
ओके,
राइड के लिए
तो अभी मैं इसको आई कैन टेक इट। ओके, So thank you, Rohan bhai. Thanks for your help. Yay! Wow.
Bye, Mesh.
Chalo, chalo. Wow. Kind out. Cycle.
Don't be scared, you'll not fall.
So Meshwa trying out her new cycle.
Very good. Look ahead and
Look ahead and
Chalo,
ride it.
pedal. No. Right.
Right, you'll not fall. Don't worry.
Come here. Come. Strong girl. Come. Nothing will happen. Very good. Come. Right. Don't stop it.
Very good.
Right.
हाइट थोड़ा बढ़ाने का है क्या अस्मिता? हाइट ज़्यादा लग रहा है क्या? इवन कम लग रहा है क्या? हाँ? So guys, this was my small video about buying a children's cycle, and this cycle I bought for my daughter Meshwa. She's around 3.5 years old. So as you all saw, I tried to explain and cover most of the points and tell you all how to buy a cycle for kids. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is BikerDadLife, no space in between. Also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's the same, it's BikerDadLife too. So thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll try and keep on making such good content, and see you soon. Bye bye.